There was one simple thing that I started saying, and it changed my entire life. In fact, my bank account pretty much added an extra zero, a 10x. And what happened was I was listening to a seminar by a man named Bob Proctor, and he said to make the goal to turn your annual income into your monthly income. And that sounded like the biggest wishful thinking I'd ever heard in my entire life, because at the time I was making about $2,000 a month, more or less. So 24 grand a year. And as a 22-year-old at the time, making basically 25 grand a month seemed like the most insane concept in the world. I didn't believe it at all. And what I did is I did this very simple affirmation, this very simple money statement, and it changed my life forever. It's a very special and a very powerful thing. So in this video, say this to attract more money into your life. So say this and simply do this when you want to manifest more money. Now, you need to do it every single day, but the results are amazing. What ended up happening is I looked back later at my original goal of turning my annual income into my monthly income, and I realized I set too small of a goal. And every single time those results have continued to increase and increase. So I'm very excited to hear about the great things that head your way when you do it. But first, make sure you hit the like button on this video right over there, or right over there on this video on this side, and comment down below and say, I am ready to receive the riches of the universe. Comment down below, I am ready to receive the riches of the universe. So Bob Proctor has an affirmation, and I didn't want to use his. And his is that money comes to me in increasing quantities through many sources on a continuous basis. So he said, what would mine be? And I said, large sums of money come to me quickly and easily as I earn, and then I wrote down the monthly goal. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily as I earn, and then you write down your monthly goal. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily as I earn, and then you write down your monthly goal. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna actually say this out loud every morning and every night. You're gonna write it 5 times on an index card or a notebook every single day. What's gonna happen is you are slowly going to cement this into your subconscious mind, and the results are going to be absolutely incredible. Now, one of the powers of this statement is that it makes your real subconscious ideas about money surface. Now, when I started saying this statement, I came up against resistance. I realized that my resistance was I thought I was too young, and I thought it was too hard. Every single person has their own subconscious resistance about money. It might be that you're too old, you're too young, you didn't go to the right school, it's too hard, it's the root of all evil. It might be that other people won't like you if you have it. It might be that more money, more problems. It might be that it's not that important, or God won't love you. We all have them, and they're subconscious. Sub means below. So these are below conscious statements that end up actually designing our entire financial life without us wondering and being able to understand what's really taking place. So what I invite you to do is to discover and ask yourself one simple question. What are the most dominant, limiting financial beliefs or stories that I tell myself every day or every year? What are the most dominant, limiting stories or beliefs financially that I tell myself every day and every year? Now, if you can ask yourself that question right now, you're going to be amazed at what's going to happen, because it's like, oh my gosh, I know why. When I was in childhood, this happened, or I always thought that your report cards control your intelligence, and and you'll discover what it is. And the amazing thing is, once you discover it, you free the subconscious space where you can then replace it with the proper belief system, which is large sums of money come to me quickly and easily as I earn, and you write your financial goal. There's only so much space in the subconscious. So once you discover the unconscious financial beliefs that are controlling your life, most of them are negative and redundant, then you can replace them with the proper affirmation or belief system that will begin to guide, direct, and govern your life for the highest and best good as God's wealth flows to you in avalanches of abundance. So I invite you to ask yourself one simple question. That question was, what are the dominant, limiting financial stories or beliefs that are buried in my subconscious mind that I learned from childhood or other people, and that control how I view, behave, and earn money? When you discover that, then you can move to step number 2, which is to simply say this and write this every day. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily as I earn, and then fill in what you want to earn a month. Come back and let me know the amazing results that come into your life from doing this. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Make sure you hit the like button on this side right over there and this side right over there. The like button is what sends us out into the YouTube universe so more people see it. So comment down below, large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. Comment down below, large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. Remember, you live in an infinite universe. You are a divine being. You are good enough. You are smart enough. And you are worthy of everything that you want. If you really want to reprogram your subconscious mind, be sure to check out my free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com. Right there down below in the description in the comments. That's jakeshypnosis.com. In the description in the comments right there down below. Have an absolutely great day. Thank you for watching this video. And remember to do this thing that we call, it's called smiling. Go like this. Today's going to be a great day. Remember, large sums of money come to you quickly and easily.